Hey, it's Madison. Okay, we're getting out of the car here in West End, and we're going to go check something out that hasn't been done in 10 years. What would that be? Let's say it has a lot to do with garbage. There's a lot of garbage on Roatan. The dive industry is getting creative with it today. Okay, so here's one of our entries. Obviously, a boat composed of old 5-gallon water bottles and somebody's used pink flamingo. Did you name your boat?
Yes, we did.
Did you name your boat?
Yeah.
What is it called?
We hope
you don't sink. Did you make it?
Captains and Fernanda for Roatan.
Yeah, did you make it?
Yeah, we make it.
Okay, good.
Yeah.
And it's got empty beer cans in it, I see.
Full beers.
Oh, those are
Captains get thirsty, he needs to drink one.
Now, how far are we going on this race?
Supposed to be going to the red buoy, that one there, and then head back here.
Okay, so you go out by the yellow buoy, out around the red buoy, and come back.
I think so. That's all.
And hope you don't sink.
And hope we won't sink. Yes.
Now here comes our latest entry, which has, I guess you would call it a homemade latrine. And it's too wide to get in the gate. Coming through! So my friend Peter here made the boat that's made of the PVC and the palm leaves. And is it seaworthy? I guess that's the answer.
That's it.
Like my dad said, it's all fun and games till somebody pokes their butt out.
Welcome to Basura Boat Race for you. You're more than welcome to use good dog. Here's the path. You right along. Come on over and get yourself a good spot before the race starts. Don't forget to get your food and drinks and features.
There is a starting line. It's actually a piece of line. You go out to the yellow buoy, and then you go to the red buoy over there, which is near Cressy, loop it, and then come back. Oh no, that one, that's a piece of trash. Basura, for all of you gringos, means trash. That's why it's the Basura Boat Race.
That literally, that was built off the beach.
Okay, now here I am giving directions. I have no clue what I'm talking about, but people are believing me, so I'll go with it. Now, before we begin the race, I'm picking her to win. She's got the lightest boat, and she's very well balanced, and she looks like an athlete.
She needs a seatbelt. I took some.
This is the course. Long as all the captains are aware.
Seven, 6, drive,
4, 3, 2, 1.
West End Divers is in the lead, but the question is, will they make it to the end of the race? Because there obviously is a leak somewhere in those 5-gallon containers. Okay, rounding the corner and into the home stretch is West End Divers, and they're exhausted and they're taking on water. And the trash tank is moving quickly to take cover. Now if they can just make the turn, the trash tank has a chance, but we'll see. West End Divers moving pretty good. And they're not sure where they're supposed to go. So in case you're wondering who won, it was West End Divers. At the end, they were confused, and the Trash Tanics guys jumped off the boat to give them a push and still couldn't win.